How's it going? This is O-Dog. We're doing a box break limited. Today's date is March 23rd. You can see it there somewhere. March 23rd.
It's Wednesday, March 23rd, and the top is live.
Just bought this today. Looks like a 1, but it says 3/23/11 limited box. What we got? Okay. Zoom out. So we got Leon Washington base, Tony Moecki base, Legends Randy White, football of Trevor Price. Draft day, CJ Spiller, Javid Best. Looks like it's dual patch, so we got 3 dual patches. We need an auto here. Alright, initial steps, Andre Roberts, auto. So there it is. We got the Des Bryant patch, Spiller patch, Taylor Price patch, and Andre Roberts auto. Alright, this is from Taylor Cards, and this is O-Dog. I'll see you later.